So you're in Bangkok. Where do you go to get a haircut? You have a couple options. You can either go on to Google and see what results come, and believe me, there's a lot. Or you just take the first recommendation, a bit like this one. But first, before we get anywhere, it's time for a coffee. It's only early afternoon, but need to start. Woke up a bit late, staying at the Landmark in Bangkok. So I'm staying at the Landmark Hotel in Bangkok, and this place is a little gem. It's slap bang in one of the busiest areas of Sok, between Osok and Nana, as you can see. And that's the coffee shop I'm at. It's called Cupping. Okay, so coffee's here. I've got a fresh watermelon juice. Oh, extremely refreshing. Man, this coffee smells incredible. Tastes really good too. Anyway, let's get to MBK. All right, so 4th floor, you've got a few options. Right, so I found a spot. Let's see how this goes. Right, so got a 4 o'clock booking. I think it's gonna be around 1,000 baht mark because I want a shave haircut. Why don't we just get straight to the haircut? Okay, so a little pit stop whilst I wait for my haircut. Just gonna get my screen replaced. And that's one of the perks about the MBK Mall. Any tech things that you may need, whether it's accessories, whether it's gadgets, whatever you need, it's all here. And there's rows and rows of options. Man, my screen protector has probably seen better days. I promised myself I wasn't gonna buy anything, but this is so cool. A little tiny digital camera. Now this brother's kind of remind me to record because I was too busy looking at gadgets, but right, so here we are. Perfect. Perfect. One less thing to worry about. Oh, yet another cool gadget. Let's check this out. What is that then?
Mini iPhone.
Mini iPhone. Yeah. It's
Take a
quite.
picture
No, I prefer the other one. This is
and have like this.
yeah. Nah, I like the other one. And that's done.
No.
Fantastic. Perfect. Let's get that. There we go. Okay. I ended up buying. Do you wanna model what I just bought? He's got the necklace going. Alright.
Here, you can just
Look at that.
and just going.
Nice.
Just gonna record it.
Oh man, I'm gonna have fun with that. Okay, so first bit of business done at MBK. Let's have a walk. Mate, I did it again. A rip-off of the Meta glasses, but I'll try them out, see how they go. Let's keep going. So the 4th floor has everything from mobile, accessories, tech stuff, dining options, banks, camera accessories, but also the barbershop. And the more floors you go up, you find similar sort of services. Right, so I'm at NEVERSAYCUTZ, about to go get my haircut and beard done. I've heard some really good stuff about this place just from other travelers that have come through Bangkok and people who actually live here. So, is it really as good as they say it is? Well, there's one way to find out. Now, let me show you what it looks like from the outside. You'll find it on the 4th floor. It's in the corner of the 4th floor. So depending on where you end up coming off from the lifts, you should be able to see it. If not, you've got to walk past everyone hustling, and you probably will end up buying something because there's some great deals to be had at the MBK. All right, let's get started.
Are you open?
Oh yes. All right. Let's get this party started. Showing my barber in London, he doesn't believe that like, people do good. I say people know how to cut hair in Thailand. He's like, no. Because he goes, they don't know how to fade. I said, duh. So basically, I need to cut, man. Maybe one fade in, fade. Keep this, maybe fade, trim that. How's your day going?
Busy, just me.
Yeah.
Live alone.
Oh, wow.
Just me.
I know the feeling, man. I'm traveling single, so less headache, you know?
เหนื่อย Fried and busy.
Yeah.
I speak English a little bit.
It's okay. Need noi. Almost there. Already making some serious headway. Nice. Man, my barber's amazing. Look, it looks like a ninja. I am very happy with this. Right, shout out to Mo, who's been epic during this whole process. Beard, hair, everything done, style, bit of alcohol at the end on the skin, kill any germs. Anything you'd like to say, Mo?
Yes, and more.
Mo. Well, give Mo a shout out next time you're in Bangkok at the MBK Mall, 4th floor.
Yes, 4th floor.
NEVERSAYCUTZ. A-zone. Well, there we are. Right, let's go. Right, that was great. Need to dye my hair as well, but I might leave that for another day because there's so much more to explore. So that's the short trip from the MBK Centre done. It's time to go find some cotton garments because it's hot weather. Natural fibers are the only things that actually work. Classic tuk-tuk. Most people say the MRT is the best way to get around, but for me, this is my choice of transport. Let's go. Right, I think I found the place. I think it's located on the 5th floor of the Big C. It's called Green Cotton. Let's see what they've got. If I could find some long trousers, shirts, socks, that'll be good. I got me some shorts.
5 feet.
We're getting somewhere. So that's the cotton pour done. Some underwear, socks, some t-shirts. Sounds like the basics, but believe me, in this weather,
especially with all these microplastics. I'm going to get rid of all of that and bring it back to organic. Right, they're both getting hungry now.